At Watercure, each new customer brings a welcomed opportunity to solve a unique water problem. Our expertise enables us to repair all existing types and brands of water filtration systems. We take pride in custom, long-term solutions that provide our residential and commercial customers with clean, healthy water. Here are some of the comments that our clients have made. Bruce S. says, "We have had a Watercure USA filtration system for more than a decade and we are totally satisfied with the water quality and taste. We use our filtered water for all of our cooking and drinking water. Drew and his staff are extremely knowledgeable, courteous, and professional. I totally recommend Watercure USA to anyone considering a water filtration system." Rick Matha says, "Can't say enough about Watercure. Trey was absolutely awesome with the presentation and James was equally amazing with the install. This company is top-notch from the bottom up. The equipment is second to none and we couldn't be happier with our water now. My only regret is waiting 10 years to do it. We've been dealing with hard well water since we bought the house 10 years ago. No more bad water." How have we built our reputation? By treating each customer as an individual, diagnosing the specific water problems, and offering complete, custom solutions. Give us a call and schedule your free water test today.